Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to see how to clear the cache. So APT cache or the package manager cache, how to clear. So in Debian or in any other Linux distribution, what happens is whenever you download the updates, the update packages remain in a cache folder inside on your system. So it hogs up the space, disk space, and your system slow down. To improve the performance of your system, you need to clean this cache. So all unnecessary, not required now packages that were downloaded earlier 1 month, 2 month or 3 month, whenever they were downloaded, and those have already been applied, so there is no use of them lying in your cache folder. So you can clean them or you can remove them, you can purge the cache folder. So different Linux distributions have different ways to clean the cache. So this method I'm showing you should be used in Ubuntu or any Debian based Linux distribution. So you have to open your terminal and type this command sudo apt-get clean. So that will remove the all packages lying there on your system in the cache folder, and it will lighten up the system because more disk space is available for the page file and other activities that are going on when you are logged in into the session. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.